Welcome to Bike Future, your ultimate destination for all things bikes. Today, we're diving into an exciting new release from Jio, the Jio Electric Cycle 2025. If you're a fan of sustainable transportation, cutting-edge tech, and sleek design, this one's for you. Introduction to Jio Electric Cycle 2025. The Jio Electric Cycle 2025 is here to revolutionize the world of electric bikes. With its futuristic design, powerful performance, and eco-friendly features, this e-cycle promises to be a game-changer. Jio, a brand known for its innovation, has brought us a product that blends style with sustainability. Whether you're an urban commuter or a weekend adventurer, the Jio Electric Cycle 2025 has something to offer. Design and build quality. The Jio Electric Cycle 2025 boasts a modern, lightweight frame crafted from durable materials. Its sleek and minimalistic design ensures that it's not only functional but also a pleasure to look at. The frame is designed for comfort, with an ergonomic structure that ensures a smooth ride for cyclists of all heights. The attention to detail in the design stands out, making it as stylish as it is efficient. Power and performance. Under the hood, the Jio Electric Cycle 2025 is powered by a high-performance motor that promises an impressive speed of up to 45 km per hour. The motor is paired with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, giving riders a range of up to 70 to 80 kilometers on a single charge. Perfect for city commutes or leisurely rides, it combines power with practicality. Smart features. One of the standout features of the Jio Electric Cycle 2025 is its integration with smart technology. The bike comes with a companion app that allows you to track your ride, monitor battery levels, and even lock the bike remotely for added security. It's a seamless fusion of technology and transportation. Conclusion. The Jio Electric Cycle 2025 is set to change the way we think about personal transportation. With its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, smart features, and stylish design, it's a top contender in the growing electric cycle market. So, whether you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint or just want a more convenient ride, the Jio Electric Cycle 2025 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Future. Stay updated with the latest bike trends by subscribing to our channel.